Hey there, I'm Travis Cawthorn with Kramer rAVe here at InfoComm 2026, and here we're talking about Panta rAVe. So Panta rAVe's now been out for a few years now. It's our cloud ecosystem for pretty much anything and everything on the network. Here on the main overview page, you have a nice dashboard with devices, alerts, incidents. You can even scroll and see which these devices are, click into them. So this is kind of a nice overview page for all of your data. You have setup and management of your devices for your environment. You can actually even log into their embedded web pages here remotely. A couple cool new features we've recently added is actually on Dante. So your KDS products and our speakers that are now Dante enabled, you can get Dante API directly into the system, so you get information on those products. A couple other new features, part of Panta rAVe is device integration. So now we can actually pull in third-party devices into the system. So you can control them over the network for automation and scripts and macros. And so now with single clicks or schedules, you can actually have maybe like a setup room or end of day script and macro, and it's all customizable where you can have different logic and create incidents and logs and basically make sure your rooms and spaces are fully up and running. There's also monitoring and support, so you can get alerts, whether it's built in directly here into Panta rAVe or also integration with other platforms like ServiceNow, Freshdesk, Jira, but we do have a full incident management system as well. If you want to get some more information about Panta rAVe, there's a lot going on. Feel free to reach out to us at kramerAV.com. Thanks for stopping by.